And there she is, running away there. This is the first time I've steamed her. I've always run it in here up till now. And it's the first time I've tried her in steam, and there she goes. Going very well. Yes, Mamod Minor 2. This is the repro burner I've got for it. But I'm not using that today, I'm just using my all-purpose burner. Because it burns quite cleanly and I haven't got any wicks in there at all. This is my only brass flywheel Mamod, and I'm very proud of it. As you can see, it runs away there fine. When I got this little machine, it was covered in black paint. I got it at one of my first STIAs. And it's covered in household black paint, and I had to strip it all back. And it looks like it looks now, but it didn't look like that at the time. And as you can see, it's an excellent runner. Plenty of steam, plenty of life about that one. And I have to say, she's turned out very well. My Minor 2. So there it is, folks. My Mamod Minor 2 brass flywheel, flat base. Steaming away there for the STWWW. Hope you enjoyed it. See you back on the tables. Bye now.